What's up, everybody? It's freezing outside, which means it's the perfect time to stay inside and make some delicious winter drinks. Today, we're making 10 cozy drinks that are sure to warm you up from the inside out. We've got something for everyone, from classic hot chocolate to boozy hot buttered rum. If you're as excited about these drinks as I am, hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel for more awesome recipes. Let's get started. First up, we're making a classic with a twist, chocolate mint hot chocolate. You're going to start with 4 cups of milk in a saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and grab your chocolate chips. We're talking 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Pour those bad boys right in. Now stir it up, guys. We don't want any chocolate sticking to the bottom. Once it's all melted and smooth, add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Whisk it all together, pour it into your favorite mugs, and top with whipped cream and crushed candy canes. Boom! Feeling a little fancy? Let's make Irish coffee. Brew yourself a strong cup of coffee. We're talking 4 ounces. While that's brewing, warm up your Irish coffee glass. Now add 1½ ounces of Irish whiskey to the glass. Next, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Pour in your hot coffee and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Now for the fun part. Top it with a dollop of lightly whipped cream. Don't stir it in. You want that beautiful layered look. Time for a spiced vanilla latte. Warm up 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. Whisk it all together until it's nice and fragrant. Now brew 2 cups of strong coffee. Pour the coffee into 2 mugs, then carefully pour in the warm spiced milk. You can top it off with some whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that extra touch. It's like Christmas in a mug. We can't forget about the holiday classic, eggnog. In a large bowl, whisk together 6 egg yolks and 2/3 cup of sugar until it's light and fluffy. In a saucepan, heat 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of ground cloves over medium heat. Now slowly pour the hot milk mixture into the egg yolk mixture, whisking constantly. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens. Strain it into a bowl. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 1/4 teaspoon of rum extract. Cover and chill for at least 4 hours. Before serving, whisk in 1 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget the sprinkle of nutmeg on top. Get ready for a flavor explosion with masala chai. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 inch of grated ginger, 4 black peppercorns, 4 cardamom pods, 2 cloves, and 1 cinnamon stick. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Now, add 2 cups of milk and 1 teaspoon of loose black tea. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Strain it into your mugs, add sugar to taste, and enjoy. Get ready for the ultimate fall drink. Mulled apple cider. In a large pot, combine 1 gallon of apple cider, 1 sliced orange, 1 sliced lemon, 6 whole cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 star anise, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least an hour. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful it gets. When you're ready to serve, ladle it into mugs and garnish with a cinnamon stick and an orange slice. This is pure autumn in a mug. Chapter 7. Craving a coffee shop favorite? Let's make a caramel macchiato. Start by drizzling caramel sauce inside a mug. Then brew 2 ounces of espresso or strong coffee. In a separate cup, froth 1 cup of milk using a milk frother or by shaking it vigorously in a jar. Pour the espresso into the mug with the caramel, then top with the frothed milk. Drizzle with more caramel sauce and enjoy. Want the cozy vibes of mulled wine without the alcohol? No problem. In a large pot, combine 4 cups of grape juice, 1 cup of orange juice, 1 sliced orange, 1 sliced lemon, 2 cinnamon sticks, 6 whole cloves, and 1 star anise. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for at least 30 minutes. The longer it simmers, the more flavorful it gets. Serve warm and garnish with a cinnamon stick and an orange slice. Feeling under the weather? A hot toddy will warm you right up. In a mug, combine 1½ ounces of whiskey, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Top with hot water, stir until the honey is dissolved, and garnish with a lemon wedge and a cinnamon stick. This drink is like a warm hug for your insides. Last but not least, we're making the ultimate winter indulgence, hot buttered rum. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of ground cloves. Mix it all together until it forms a paste. To make the drink, add 1 tablespoon of the butter mixture to a mug. Pour in 2 ounces of rum and top with hot water. Stir until the butter mixture is melted and enjoy. There you have it, folks. 10 cozy winter drinks to warm you up on a cold day. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these recipes, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more deliciousness. Thanks for watching and stay cozy.